Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use Shazam to search for music while using your phone. So Shazam is really good. It's like an upgraded version of what Google has. So all you need to do is actually download the app and click on tap to Shazam. So now you need to give it also your permission before it does. So when you click press it, now you need to play maybe a song or something, and you need to play it out loud on like your speaker for Shazam to be able to hear it. So like they're gonna be using your microphone of your phone, and as you can see here, Clippers only know talking. It thinks that we are listening to a no talking ASMR because there was no sound. Now let's try playing this song instead, and then let's start playing Shazam again, and then play this song and see if Shazam knows what we're listening to, and if it can find. As you can see, in an instant, it actually just found the song. Anata no Sobani. And you can even click it, and then you'll see songs that are related to it, or like the video on YouTube as well as its lyrics. But that's it. That's how you find a song using Shazam. You can also use it to with other anything actually, even YouTube or like watching TikTok. It works as long as your microphone captures the music that you want Shazam to capture. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.